Stay there, stay on that. Hold on. All right, go back to us. I'm on him now.
Hey, run it! I'm going!
Get it back. Right! Good defense. All the way.
Left. Right.
Play!
Not my ear.
You good, bro? Here's that. Yusuf, grab that, man. Yusuf. Grab it.
Good load out there. Left. Back.
Oh!
Got it.
Defense!
Alright, get through that. I'm under. I'm still under.
What is that?
It is.
Slow down.
Hey, keep looking for Rossi, man.
Left.
All day. All day.
Right! Step up! I'm there with you.
Careful.
Hey, you see it, Rob? I'm on ball. I'm under. Don't sit.
Rebound.
That's the ball. Come on. Left! Garnish, look.
I got you, Hope.
I'm back. Oh, you didn't go cross. I'm going under. Help! Help! Alan, Yusuf. Hey, that's good.
Good defense.
Yusuf, see me?
Stop
the ball, foul!
Back.
Right, coming. Yeah, Yusuf, look up. Great. What's up?
Go. Okay, back. Hey, come on, get that over. Back.
Yusuf, your man's two.
Get it. Get the ball.
All the way. You're the one who's not.
Back on me.
Yeah, you got to restart it there. We'll call all the screens, guys.
He's not over. Behind you.
Restart, you got shooter, right? Box him out. Box him out.
Okay, one shot, it's live.
Basamayız. Bas abi.
Outside line is behind you. Take your time. Go back. Hey, set. Don't curse, bro.
It's like a habit.
Nobody be allowed.
I gotta get
Evet.
What's your name?
Get them in there.
The first time I hit. Just one set, right? One.
Right, back off. Get back.
Yeah, here we go.
Over here. It's all right. Stop blowing the ref's calls, man. Hey, stop! I just told you to. Forward. You got it. Take your time. Yeah.
Big man.
Back on defense. Seconds.
Hey, last shot. Come on, Paul.
Hey. Let's go. Pass it up.
That's a foul.
I'm on ball. I'm on ball.
Good job.
Back. Okay, boy.
Step back.
Oh, my screens.
How you want? Perfect. See?
Box out, Dennis.
All the way, all the way.
Get in. Let's go, you got shooter.
That's what he's off you.
Hey, who's got who?
Hey, Ruffin, stay on that side.
Hey, force the shot from this.
Used to stay on this side too. Other side, other side.
All day, brother. Get back. Hey, get back. One step.
Hey, hand up. There you go. What's up, Danish? I'm there. I got you. Yeah. I got ball.
Come on, Rich. Get just back.
Right there. Oh, perfect. Oh, that's foul.
Where? We going, Donnie?
Hey, that's bad.
Hey, Houston.
On ball! Go! Come out!
Hey, Yusuf. Everybody good? Yeah. I'm on ball. I'm on here. Alright! That's it! Hand up! Take team.
Come on.
Take your meat
ball back, go. Get the back. Get it! Oh! Had it.
I got ball!
Nick! There you go. Come on!
I'm there. I'm on ball. I'm under. Oh! No, it's fine.
You just move.
Get back. Is there any bandage here? Backboard.
Pass it!
Hold back.
Hey, I'm not gonna call fouls. I can't keep driving it in. Hey, shoot! Take your own advice! Hey, stop driving it in.
Zach, it's in the office if you want to manage.
Right. Hey! That's a good shot.
Holy shot, guys.
That's the last one, right? No, second. They called it. Hey! There we go.
Hey, time with your friend.
Yeah, move it around.
Yeah, move around, guys. Take your time. There you go, beautiful. Good hustle.
That's a sip, it's fine. That's a sip.
What was that?
That's a moving screen. Hey, Muhammad. Hey, man, check out. Come on, go with the ref. Get that boy off. Hey, get through that. Yeah. Keep playing.
Take your time. Go it. Get on the ball.
Done it! Do so!
Zach, get across. What's up, what's up? Come on, look up. Take your time. One shot, Yusuf.
We're here at the end of the Wolves Uhud game. Wolves coming out on top, 45-33. Got two people here with me. We got Mahmoud, two-time champion. I'm getting ahead of myself. He's been telling me he's going to be a two-time champion. We got Rafi, a new league member. We'll go to you first. How does it feel playing your first game? You were very big for your team, getting a lot of boards. You had 7 boards tonight. How does it feel to be part of the Wolves, and how do you like your chances this year?
Well, I mean, like, I love my first game. I was happy with what I did. I did my part. 73 awards is great for me. I feel like we all did good. I'm really glad how we played. I had great layups and I made good passes for assists. I'm happy with it.
Alhamdulillah, that's good to hear. Mahmoud, I know you're always helping a lot. How do you like these jerseys? This is the first time we've had these jerseys. I don't really care about the game. You know, you're gonna do what you do. At the end of the day, you say you don't really care about the stats. All you got is a dub. So let's talk about the jerseys. How do you like the jerseys? Did they restrict you? Did they feel good? How do they look today?
These jerseys this year we went with the Puro brand. They're very loose. They're very great to play with. I felt the best I have with any of the jerseys we've had in the past couple of years. So it's been great. It's great getting these new guys in. Yusuf played with us last game. This is Rafi's first game. Hopefully we build more chem and we're able to get this on top.
All right, Jazakallah khair. That's going to take it from Team Wolves here. 45-33. We'll see you at the next game.
It's a weird thing.
Assalamu alaikum. We're here with the captain of Team Uhud. Unfortunately, he came on the losing end today. This is a champion, so I'm sure they're going to be able to bounce back. We got Reza. Kind of talk me through the game. I know you did a lot of heavy lifting for the scoring tonight. You were missing people like Osama. What do you think is going to change in the future, and how can you guys get the dub next time around?
Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. It's great to be back. It was a beautiful day for basketball. First, Omar, before I answer your question, I want to shout out all the Hajis, Danish, Fudel, Sayyids, the Baghdadis. Shout out you guys, man. Unser's parents just went to Hajj. Shout out to them, mashallah. May Allah accept. May Allah accept. Yeah, I mean, it was the first game. I think the team was a little nervous. It's a different speed, right? So I have experience playing. I'm confident playing. Play with these guys all the time. I think the game plan was the first half. I knew we were not going to be that good. I even told the team we weren't going to be that good, but I think we were going to get more comfortable and comfortable. And then the second half, we definitely played a better second half. Defensively, offensively. I think offensively in the first half we went through like we went through a turnover spell that kind of killed us. We had like 3-4 turnovers in a row that got easy layups, and just seeing that, especially with a young team, they kind of get down because it's points, right? And the lead is just getting higher and higher. So in the end, we just have to play through it. You know, we just have to play through the suck, is what I like to say, right? Just play through it, because basketball's not going to be perfect. But the game plan was just to be aggressive, get to the rim. We have to clean some things up defensively, just talk better. Everyone, I mean, obviously have to communicate. But in the end, it's the first game of the season, and I'll take this a lot of the times. I'll take this score, this type of game, for a first game of the season.
Well, I just had one more question. I believe you did outscore them in the second half. I will say I noticed a lot of times that one of the biggest differences in the game was the transition. You guys weren't pushing the pace up as much as they did, and they got a lot of fast break, maybe some cherry pick points. Do you see that changing with, obviously Osama has a lot of speed. Is there something coaching? Is it maybe a cardio? First time some of these guys play full court in a while. They play a lot of half court before the summer league. What do you think is going to change in the future for that?
I think it's just really getting used to the league, right? I think some teams are just going to do that because there aren't that many. Every team doesn't have a lot of great shooters. I'm not going to say our team doesn't have a great shooter. We have, we have me, we have Ajawi, we have young fella Jabril, we have Usama, who's out of commission. But I think it's just going to get used to just finding patterns in the league. The way this team plays defensively is that they just have 2 guys sitting in the paint because not every team has 5 shooters. So Danish are just going to camp in the paint. And today they had Danish and Rafit. So it kind of made it difficult getting to the rim. But I'm glad we still got to the rim and were aggressive, because I think that's really the only team that's going to do that, because that's just how they want to play.
Sounds good. You guys heard it here. Uhud coming up short 33-45. We'll see you at the next game and see if they can make some adjustments. Sorry.